This version of the Air Jordan 40 arrives in a timeless white and black colorway, combining classic appeal with modern performance. The crisp white leather upper delivers a clean, premium look, while contrasting black accents provide sharp definition, creating a sleek, wearable design for collectors and everyday sneaker fans alike. Paying tribute to past Air Jordan models, the AJ40 seamlessly blends heritage-inspired elements with cutting-edge technology, reinforcing the brand's legacy in both basketball and streetwear culture. Built for high performance, the shoe features a responsive, cushioned midsole that enhances comfort during games or casual wear. Its updated outsole traction pattern ensures grip and stability for fast, agile movements. This makes the Air Jordan 40 more than just a stylish statement, it's a functional piece of athletic footwear. The neutral palette also allows for easy styling across a range of outfits, making it a versatile addition to any rotation.